We're in Windows 10. I'm going to show you how to change your speakers. And we're going to do this by going into the Start button and going to Settings. Now, we used to do this through Control Panel, but Microsoft is moving away from the Control Panel. So it'd be a good idea to know how to do this using the new way. We'll click on System in the upper left-hand corner. And then all the way to the left, we'll click on Sound. Now, once we're in Sound, you're going to look at where it says Output. Choose your output device. That is the option for your speakers. I don't know why they don't call it speakers anymore. They just don't. So now what we can do is we can choose which one that we want. So for instance, I'll choose this option here. And then when you move the sliding scale back and forth, if you hear anything, then you know you picked speakers that can actually play sound back. If you don't hear anything, then you have nothing that's working with that. In this case, this is the headphones. So I would be able to put my headphones on and I could hear them simply because I can see things moving when I slide it back and forth. So I'll move it back to my original option, and I can definitely hear things there when I slide back and forth. And this also lines up to this little speaker in the lower right-hand corner in the taskbar. So whatever I set it to there, it will be set in the master volume as well. So that's how we choose our speaker option in Microsoft Windows 10.